Smoky eyes, that's perfect for workplace. Look at that, guys. It's just so glamorous and still it's so effortless, and it doesn't look over the top and doesn't make you look like, oh, she has done a lot. So keep on watching the entire video. Eye makeup is going to be very simple, and I'm just going to use my fingers for it. And the palette that I'm gonna use today, Mars Eyes Can Kill eyeshadow palette. I have just bought it and I just cannot stop using it. I mean, look at the shades, so pretty. First of all, I'm gonna pick up a brown shade to sort of, just set my lids with it. So this shade, just around my crease area. And why am I doing this with my fingers? Because I can. Now I'm gonna pick a darker shade of gray and just applying it very close to my lash line, and then whatever is left on the finger, just blend it upwards, just like that. See, it looks well blended. Make sure to take your time, and if you think you have applied a bit too much, you can just take a clean finger and then blend it. So I'm just applying some more and applying the same on my bottom lash line. You do not need to own this palette to do this look. You can also apply a darker shade of any darker shade of brown if you're comfortable with brown, and if you're into glamorous look, you can also go in with black or deep shades of gray. So yeah, whatever you're comfortable with. I am working with what I have, and you can just go in with similar shades. That doesn't really matter. All that matters is that you should have fun while doing your makeup, because it's an art. Okay. And now I'm taking this PAC's long-lasting kohl in the shade coffee brown. Just take any brown kajal. I'm actually applying this kajal below my waterline. You see that? And then I'm gonna line the insides, of course. And also try to line your upper waterline using this. Now I'm going to apply this pencil over here, very close to my lash line, to sort of intensify the lash line. And then just soften it with your fingers. That's probably it. Look at the difference between both these eyes. This looks more defined. You might be thinking why I went in with a brown kajal instead of a black one, because I feel the brown is a little more subtle and it doesn't smudge. Even if it does, it doesn't make you look like a panda. Now just take any shimmer eyeshadow of your choice, and you just need to highlight your brow bone and your inner corners to accentuate the look even more. So I'm taking this palette. This is the C2P Pro Pathfinder eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna pick this shade because I do not want the shade to pop a lot. So this shade on my fingers only, and just basically any shimmer shade of your choice. To highlight your inner corners or not, it's a personal choice. I like it, so I'm gonna do it. So this shade, the same shade, and taking it on my pinky and applying it just a little. You see, I have not applied any highlight on my face because obviously we're gonna work during daytime, so it might look a little too much. Just applying over here and over here. That's it. I'm just going to curl my lashes, and for that I'm using this lash curler from Savannah. The mascara that I'm using is this Mars Fabulash mascara. You can also go in with false lashes. As I said, if you want a glamorous look, it's completely up to you. But no, I do not wanna go in with that. You can also use cluster lashes because they look quite natural compared to full-fledged lash bands. So applying some on my bottom lashes as well, but if your work is hectic and if you feel like you're gonna sweat a lot, then do not apply mascara on your bottom lashes. We are done with the eye makeup. Look at how subtle yet gorgeous it's looking. Now I'm gonna go in with lip balm, lipstick. I'm gonna love this lip combo. Now we are done with the makeup. I'm just gonna take a compact and sort of apply some under my eye. So if there's any fallout of the eyeshadow, it's just gonna get swept. Oh my god, guys, look at how flawless this entire look is. And now I'm just going to undo my hair rollers and come back. Okay guys, so that was it, and look at how beautiful this makeup is. You have seen how quickly we have done this entire look. You only need at max 15-20 minutes. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you, and I really do hope that you'll like it, and if you do, then make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and also if you're new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe for more such content. And yeah, that was it for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, you all take care. I love you guys so much. Bye now. There are some beauty shots ahead because some of you all love it and I love it too.